Our campus has a history of taking students who have all of the intellectual capacity, all of the drive to accomplish, and who just need the chance to get additional help. And the Fab Lab provides that additional help in terms of learning to make things, learning the engineering concepts, learning the mathematical concepts that are going to make them more successful when they get to our classes, which are going to give them greater opportunities in the job market. When I first became aware of the Fab Labs and what they can do, I mean, it was real clear. Our campus needs to recognize we're part of an ecosystem, that we're part of the K through 12 environment, we're part of the community college environment, and that the degree to which those students come better prepared, but also more intrigued, more excited about the science fields, then it makes it that much easier. The Fab Labs allow us to take things from the theoretical, put in the hands of the middle school students, the high school students, the tools to actually fabricate, to make things, in a sense, to bring the STEM fields to life. And what we're basically saying to these young men and women that you can make things at a higher and more scientific level than you ever thought you could. Some of these things that you can make in the Fab Lab, they are what I call precursors to engineering. They are precursors to calculus. They are a precursor to all the kinds of things that amaze and wow us now. And so the degree to which our students can work in this field, it's going to help everyone.
I want to officially welcome you to our campus, the campus of California State University, Dominguez Hills. I am Dr. Hamden, and it gives me great pleasure today to welcome you to our very first STEM in Action event. All right, let the fun begin. There we go. All right. This is where STEM happens. This is where STEM comes alive. It is our plan to have 4 to 5 mobile Fab Labs. The Fab Labs would allow us to meet a critical need that currently exists, and that's the need of bringing the community to our campus and our campus to the community to engage both in STEM activities. Many of these teachers did not have the training themselves. They did not have an engineering background. They did not have a background that enabled them to acquire that knowledge or the expertise. The mobile Fab Labs will allow us to also engage this population, the teachers themselves, to place them in a much better position to provide meaningful STEM experiences for their own students. Students always tell us, and so do our teachers, especially the recent college graduates, they know the subject matter very well. They know how to do math, they know how to do science, but some lack that knowledge. What do you do with the math and what do you do with the science, which is the applied knowledge. The Fab Labs would allow us to bridge that gap.